Have you ever wondered how to make money on TikTok? It's not just a platform for fun and games, it's also a goldmine for those who know how to tap into its potential. Today we're going to break down the process of making money on TikTok into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, it's all about building a following. The larger your audience, the more opportunities you have to monetize your content. So, how do you build a following? It's a combination of creating engaging content, interacting with your audience, and staying consistent. It might sound simple, but it requires dedication and creativity. Secondly, once you've built a substantial audience, you can start to participate in the TikTok Creator Fund. This fund pays creators for their content based on the number of views it gets. It's a direct way to earn from your creativity. Thirdly, brand partnerships are a major source of income on TikTok. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products. If your content aligns with a brand's image, they might just approach you for a collaboration. And if they don't come to you, don't be afraid to reach out to them. Another way to make money on TikTok is through live streams. TikTok allows viewers to send virtual gifts during live streams, which can be converted into real money. If you're comfortable in front of the camera and can hold your audience's attention, live streaming could be a great way to increase your income. Lastly, selling merchandise is an often overlooked method of making money on TikTok. If you have a loyal following, creating and selling merchandise related to your content can be a profitable venture. So, to summarize, making money on TikTok involves building a following, participating in the TikTok Creator Fund, partnering with brands, live streaming, and selling merchandise. Each method requires effort, creativity, and a bit of business savvy. But with dedication and a little bit of luck, you could turn your TikTok hobby into a lucrative career. Remember, the key to success on TikTok, like any other platform, is authenticity. Your audience can tell when you're being genuine, and they'll reward you for it. So keep creating, keep engaging, and most importantly, keep being you. You never know. You might just be the next big TikTok star.